Welcome to the very first of my cooking demonstrations, and we're going to turn this peanut butter chicken. Right, first off we need to cook some peanuts or fry some peanuts. The recipe does say roasted, but I'm going to fry them. They're nice that way. So, it's a new one. A bit of olive oil in a pan. I'm going to heat the oil so it's nice and hot, because we don't want to cook them, we want to fry them. These are unsalted peanuts. Don't get the salted ones, it doesn't work as well. They want to be unsalted, so just plain ordinary peanuts. We want this oil nice and hot. Nowhere near hot enough yet. Okay, the secret is get that oil really hot. But I'm not going to do all of it, I'm going to do half of it, because that'll be more than enough. Right, and while they're starting to cook and brown off, we need to get a few other things ready. Okay, we have boneless thigh fillets, which we need to cut into chunks. So we don't want to do the whole thing. Put your sleeves up. All over them. If you have a board that slides around like that, here's a little tip for you. If you take a damp flannel and light on top of it like that, you find it won't slip around quite as much. Okay, our peanuts are nicely done. Now what we need to do is get rid of all that oil. So if we put, give me a second, let me just, I've been handling meat, I'm now going to handle ordinary food. So we wash our hands. There you go. Right, we're going to set those aside for later use. Try to get the heat back on this. Now we're going to, what we need to do is brown off our chicken. If you try not to do it all at once, do it in a couple of batches, you'll find it easier to brown it off rather than trying to get everything. Get my way at least. Before you grate, we need 2 teaspoons of grated ginger. First of all, in case you didn't know, you need to peel the skin off the root first. And cut out any nasty little eyes.
Take it from that end, right?
You can carry on if you like. That's 2 teaspoons, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
I would say. We also need 1 crushed clove. Now, if you don't have a garlic press, there's an easy way of doing it. First way, break open the bowl. You crush it. There we go. Select a nice clove. Just cut the tip off there and the tip off there, and it should peel very easily. Now here you would normally put it in a garlic press, but I don't have a garlic press, so get a large blade knife, put it on there, make sure it's nice and firm, and whack it one. 1 crushed clove of garlic. Much quicker than using a garlic press. Now we're going to add chillies. Now some people find that chillies can be very hot, and that's the seeds in them. So you can either, we need to slice this thinly, and we can either, if you don't want it that hot, you can de-seed them first. I'm going to show you how to do that. Just we cut that off there, and then we cut.
I can't see anything because your hand's in the way.
Cut down the middle, and then we're just going to scoop all those seeds out. I'm going to make sure we get every single one out. Now, a piece of advice, because I made a mistake doing this once. Once you start handling the inside of a chilli, do not touch any other part of your body with your hands. I scratched my face once.
Hold on.
I scratched my face once whilst handling chillies, and it was a good half an hour before I could stop the burning in my face.
Your seed on your finger.
Yes, right.
No, the other one.
Now we're going to do this one. Now what I would normally do is run this. Where'd it go? There it is. Is run these under the tap, but we don't. We're in a motorhome, and we don't use our tank water to drink or cook with. So what I'm going to do is put some potable water into a jug.
It's filming.
Okay, right. I want it flavoured with chillies and not raging hot. There we go. There we go. Okay, now thank you, Ed. Okay, so we have the
Ginger.
ground ginger, the crushed garlic, and the finely cut chillies, and we're just going to shove them all into the pan and fry them up for about a minute. We add 2 teaspoons of garam masala. Now do not confuse garam masala with curry powder. They are 2 completely different things. Yes, they're a spice, both are a spice mix, but they're different spices. Garam masala is more a finishing spice mix, and curry powder is a cooking spice mix, apparently, something along those lines. So we're just going to add all that into the mix. Right, so we add the tomatoes, 1 can of tomatoes, 1 can of coconut milk, and some peanut butter.
100 grams.
100 grams of peanut butter, or in our case 107 grams, and then we're just going to bring this all to a simmer. Okay, having got our brew, our concoction nicely starting to simmer there, we're now going to put back the chicken. And add and then add freshly. Right, then we've got some coriander here.
Freshly chopped.
Freshly chopped, washed, cleaned, apparently. I bought this from a very nice Indian gentleman in Gloucester indoor market. He said, I don't need to wash it, I don't need to chop it, it's all ready for me to just use, put it straight in the cooking. And that looks about the right amount. We're going to set the rest of that aside. So we'll sprinkle a little bit of that on the finished dish.
You've got to simmer it now, haven't you?
Now this needs to cook for about 30 minutes.
On slow, low.
Nice slow simmer. No, simmer. So we'll just keep an eye on that. After half an hour, your sauce it should have thickened quite nicely. As you can see, we've got a nice thick sauce here. If for some reason it hasn't, because you put a little bit more liquid in than planned or whatever, what you can do is turn the heat right up full so it starts to boil, but keep stirring because you'll burn it otherwise. And basically what we do, what's called reduce the liquid down. But this has come out nicely, so I don't need to do that. So what we do is we will grab a nice big spoony thing.
Put it in like that for a reason, but hey.
Hey?
Come on.
And I'm gonna serve myself a nice big portion in this bowl here. And we'll add, do you remember those nuts we started off with? Make it look nice. And a little bit of coriander on top.
Your tag on your t-shirts, on it.
Just to make it look nice. My tag on my t-shirt. Oh, she's talking to James. And right, you can serve this with, well, whatever you like, rice, and I have chosen to eat it with a, ouch, that's hot, naan bread. Right, let's go in. Well, bear in mind, we've made this, I've never tried this before, so I actually don't know what it's like. Let's find out. That's really good. De-seeding the chilies, very, very good idea. Why are you two, look, this is what I've got to contend with.
The camera's gone off, that's what we're trying to let you know.
Yeah, except it hasn't, the screen's gone off.
You said it goes on.
See, they're idiots. But anyway, this is what I have to contend with. We're trying to do these videos for you. Anyway, I'm going to enjoy this now, because it's really, really nice. Sorry, eat with my mouth full, that's very, very rude of me. And until next time.